Why are you standing like that?
Just do it. It'll be funny.
Okay. Hey guys, we're in my kitchen. How is that funny? Really? You're still gonna do that? Okay. Hi guys, today Joshua and I are in our new remodeled kitchen cooking. We're so excited. So today's video, we're actually gonna be cooking a HelloFresh meal, which we're really excited about.
I had my arms crossed to hide that.
HelloFresh is a meal delivery kit service. For those of you that don't know, but I'm sure a lot of you already know what HelloFresh is. And they are giving you guys, my viewers, a deal of a lifetime. Abbyefied 80 is the code. I'll leave the code, the link, everything here on the screen. I'll also leave it down in the description box. But guys, this is like the best deal that I've ever seen HelloFresh do. It's like your first month, $80 off. It's amazing. Yeah. So check Something it out. That, yeah, it's like a really, really good deal. So you get $80 off your first month. It's amazing. I'll leave all the information down below in the description box and the link, so make sure to go and check it out. A big thanks to HelloFresh for partnering with us.
Thanks, guys.
On today's video. But let's just go ahead and get into this.
Dive right into this meal.
Why do you like HelloFresh?
Why do I like it? Well, there's no measuring at all. It comes in a box. We get the classic thing for 2 people. This one's...
You can get a classic, a family plan, or a veggie plan.
This right here...
get the one that has enough for 2.
This holds everything you need. Right here, in this. No measuring cups, you got it all.
We are doing the figgy balsamic pork tonight.
Boom.
I actually made the tacos last night, which we've had before. That is my absolute favorite HelloFresh recipe. It is the best.
We still use their sour cream.
Oh yes, the sour cream recipe.
The ingredient
with the
that's
lime
in
it.
that. Oh my goodness.
So good.
Alright, so wash and dry all of your produce.
Okay.
Adjust rack to upper position and preheat the oven to 450 degrees.
Okay, actually you can preheat the oven to 450. The number one thing that's so great about HelloFresh, and if you've never seen a HelloFresh video, which I'm sure a lot of you have before, but the thing
I just mentioned this is why it's my favorite thing.
This is why it's so amazing. Look at, you get a bag of green beans, just enough.
Make sure you wash and dry all your produce.
Is this thyme? I don't know. You get this. You get your seasonings, just a little tiny bottle, just enough potatoes.
Just enough. There's a lot enough potatoes in there.
I mean, I like my potatoes.
Look at all those potatoes. Your
little thing of garlic. You get your fig preserves. All in this bag. So you have just enough ingredients. What are you doing? And then we have our pork tenderloin.
Pork tenderloin. All right, so I'm gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees.
I thought you already did that.
Oh, I had to do that for the camera.
No.
So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees for this. So I'll be over here while she does the rest.
Why do all of it? Well, she does the rest.
Right now it's at 100 degrees in there. And it'll start to climb from there.
Just wash and dry all the produce, would you?
So I'm gonna wash and dry all the produce after washing my hands, everyone.
In this roller coaster ride.
Give me a drizzle. Drizzle me some olive oil.
This is how we're gonna toss our green beans with olive oil.
Okay.
That might be too much olive oil, whatever. We could probably do the salt and pepper on the pan, like on the baking pan.
You can toss it in here.
Here you go. No, you have to, it's a salt grinder. Just put it on the pan, it'll be way easier. Meanwhile, we have this going on. It says to turn these every once in a while and cook them like 4 to 8 minutes. So I hope I'm doing this right. Our potatoes are in the oven. We just got done kind of pan searing the pork, and we've got this all on the same pan. So we're gonna pop that into the oven and let it, it's not hot, and let that cook in there for the rest of the time with the potatoes. So pretty easy, everything's in there. While that's all going on, we are going to make kind of like this jam paste in this same pan that we made the pork in. We are going to be using the shallots.
The
The rosemary. And the balsamic.
Vinegar.
There we go.
The vinegar. Chicken concentrate.
And the fig jam.
Fig reserves.
Okay, if I like this recipe though, you know it's good because I'm actually really worried about the jam thing. The meat is gonna be like our main thing because like potatoes, green beans, like anybody can make that. Cheers.
Cheers!
Oh my word. Dude, you have to try it with the sauce on it. I was scared of this sauce.
Wow.
That's really good.
Let me try some sauce.
Okay, I was scared of the sauce because I was like, I don't really like balsamic vinegar. I don't really like jam. This is insanely good. Oh, I'll get you your own. No, 1 second. Mmm, so good.
Here we go. Meat with the sauce, everyone.
Oh, you're taking a huge bite. If he likes the sauce, then it'll be a humongous deal. You like it? So, if you order HelloFresh, make sure you get this meal because it's so good. Don't forget, guys, check out the description down below and go to the HelloFresh website, get yourself signed up, and don't forget to use the code Abbyefied80 to get $80 off your first month, which is amazing and such a good deal. So check it out, guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought. So I hope you guys are having a great week. Thank you so much for watching this video and cooking with us tonight. Make sure to thumbs up. I don't know if I said that already. Subscribe, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Dude. See, even our dog wants some.